Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to receive files from WeTransfer in 2026. If someone has shared files with you through WeTransfer and you're not sure how to access or download them, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. First, check your email inbox for a message from WeTransfer. If the sender shared the files by email, you'll receive a notification containing a *download ** button. If you don't see the email, check your spam, junk, or promotions folder. Open the email and click the ** download * button. Your web browser will open the WeTransfer download page. Before downloading, you'll see information about the files, including the file names and total size. Next, click ** download * to start saving the files to your computer. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, the download may take a few moments. Once it's complete, you'll find the files in your computer's default downloads folder, unless you've selected another location. If the sender shared a transfer link instead of an email, simply open the link in your browser and click the ** download * button. The process is exactly the same, and no account is required for most downloads. If you're unable to download the files, make sure the transfer link hasn't expired. WeTransfer transfers are available for a limited time, so if the link has expired, you'll need to ask the sender to upload and share the files again. Also, ensure you have enough storage space and a stable internet connection, and that's how you can receive files from WeTransfer in 2026.